Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandra and welcome. Thank you for all of those that have been watching my videos over and over again. And for those that this is your first time here, please make sure you subscribe. And the next video I'm doing, guys, there's gonna be a giveaway, so please do not miss out. The only thing you have to do is make sure you're subscribed. You share this video on your social media, on your Instagram, and tag me. That's all you need to do. It might be a jacket, it might be a perfume, it might be sneakers, yeah. So guys, today we are unboxing the Himalayan insulated jacket. It is getting more cold and more cold, guys, and of course my allergies are getting the best of me at this moment. But guys, I'm excited. I couldn't wait to unbox with you guys. I'm so sorry I opened it already, but I'm gonna show you what I got. And yeah, let's review this jacket. I tell you what I like about it and what I don't like about it. So let's get into the video. So guys, this is my jacket. I'm so excited. Ta-da! So this is what I got. It looks so huge on camera, but like physically it's not this huge. But this is it. I got mine in a size small, guys, and this is like the male's sizing. I always buy my jackets in the male section. I don't know why. Please, like, I don't know. I really don't know why. But this is like the S, the small. So it comes with a zipper. Of course, I love this neck personally. A jacket that has this neck sells out for me. Like, I don't know, I'm just sold. So we have this neck going on. Of course, a zipper. North Face logo. So guys, the difference between this one and the 1996 retro, like this has like two materials. Like this is a soft material and this one is a bit hard. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah. So yeah, we have this logo here. Still at the back, we have the North Face logo. So when we open it up, of course we have the North Face logo again. I told you guys I got mine in a size small, so it has like North Face men's or Hermes then S and where it's made from. So yeah, all pretty lined very nicely. So guys, it has a zipper. Oh my god, I love me a zipper. You know, see, it has an inside zipper. I love this about like North Face jackets. Like seriously, I love me an inside zipper. So unfortunately this one does not have a like a hoodie, or it's just like, yeah, so when it's raining you need to carry an umbrella or something, I don't know. Yeah. And then it has like elastic around the arms. I don't know. So you cannot adjust this. So it's one thing I don't like about it. It's like it's not adjustable. It either like fits you or it does not. Yeah. So on both sides. And then of course we have the hemlocks where you can adjust the waist. So guys, like I really like it, like in general. It's just like a few things, like because I have like the other one, so I'm always like comparing the two. And besides, the other one the other one is like a puffer and this one is not, so it's a bit heavier than the other one. And yeah, I love it that it's thick as well. Like in the heavy winter days, I think this will keep me really warm. It feels really warm as well. And the other different thing is the way it's look at how the pockets are, guys. So when you open the pockets like this, it's pretty warm inside. Let me show you. So it's lined inside like this. So this material keeps your hands very warm. I haven't done like a test outside when it's cold, but then I will. Yeah, I will, guys, and then I'll let you guys know. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it fits on my body. And yeah, all in all, I'm impressed with this. I'm not regretting this purchase. Yeah, so I'm impressed. And then now let me first try it out and you see, guys, how it fits on me. So guys, this is me literally trying this jacket out for you. I love how it fits. I know. This is the logo behind. On the sides, and let me try to zip it up. So this is how it looks like this. I don't know, I always want to like I don't really like it when these hemlocks are just outside. I always like put it in and then just, you know. So guys, like, I really want to know what you guys think. Am I buying the same jacket twice? Is it worth the money? I don't know. I really want to know what you guys think. Is it worth it? Is it better than the first one? Of course, the other one, don't forget that this one is the other one was a puffer, and this one is just a jacket, you know. Yeah, and it feels really hot. It feels really warm inside. So I'll be waiting for your feedback, guys, and those who are interested, of course, to buy this one, I'll leave the link down in the description below. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye bye.